Welcome to the AfroVeggieVerse, Nibble Nation. I'm Kimberly Knight, Chef Educator. This joyful segment is a collaboration between the Black Child Development Institute, Greater Los Angeles, and Nibble Nation to support the Enjoys Meals with Vegetables outcome from the National Black Child Development Institute's 8 Essential Outcomes. March is all about renewal, when colors return and curiosity grows. Did you know that fruits and vegetables come in different colors because each one helps our body in a special way? Eating a rainbow helps us grow strong from the inside out. Blooming appetites start with curiosity, and today's recipes invite kids to explore food through color, choice, and play, helping joyful eating grow naturally. Our first item this afternoon is called Eat the Rainbow. And so we're going to be introducing our toddlers to a variety of fruits. And so today we have some seasonal fruits. We have pineapples. These are golden pineapples. We have strawberries. We have cara oranges. Look how big these blueberries are. Jumbo blueberries, kiwi, and blackberries. And so basically what we're going to do, you could do a plate, you could do a bowl, you could do a platter, you could do a mixed fruit cup, but we're just basically going to create a rainbow with the colors of our fruit. So I'm going to start in the middle and then grow out because it'll be easier to manage in terms of your shape. So I'm going to start with my blueberries. My blueberries are going to go in the middle. I'm not using all of them because I'm just trying to figure out how my shape is going to look. So I got my blueberries here. Then I'm going to go in with my blackberries. So this would be a great opportunity to get some little hands. Well, they may be trying to eat all of the fruit, but to get some little hands acclimated into building. So you just kind of look at what your fruit shape is looking like and then grow from there. So we got blue, we got purple. Guess you would call these purple, even though they're blackberries, right? So then we'll give it some green with our kiwi. I'll move this over because she's kind of lopsided. So we're gonna edge her up with the kiwi. And whatever shapes, you know, if you wanna use a cookie cutter or you just want to cut slices, you just want to decide what shapes you're going to use before you start building, because then your design may change. So then I'm going to go in with my oranges. Let's come all the way around. Looks like I need a bigger plate, but anyway, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna get the whole rainbow in here. Okay. We'll do the pineapples last, because I'm gonna do strawberries here. Let's see what we get. So what I used to do with my kids, I would do a fruit plate, just a plate of seasonal fruit and a salad bowl. And so I would bring that to the table when we ate dinner. And so when fruit is already cut and it's just, you know, there for you to eat without any work, then they're more likely to eat it. And then so they would take a little salad, take a little fruit. And that's a good way to get your daily portion of fruits and vegetables in, even if you are having vegetables, you know, in your meal. We'll put the pineapples in between so we don't cover up the oranges all the way. There's no right or wrong way. Like I said, you can make a fruit cup and just mix them all together. That would work too. And you don't have to use the whole rainbow. You could use 2 or 3 colors. whatever fruits in season. Just if you're using like apples or bananas or pears, they oxidize or turn brown, so you may want to add a little lemon juice if you want to use those fruits as well. So here is Eat the Rainbow for your toddlers and the rest of your family. Hopefully your toddler will get some of it because it could be gone quicker than you think. Next up, we have our walking tacos. And so our walking tacos are basically taco in a bag. So we have a bag of corn tortillas. We have the nacho cheese Doritos that we're going to use. You could use plain, you could use any type of tortilla chip. You could use any carrier. You could use a bag, you could use a bowl, you could put it on a plate. But these are really popular in middle school, and particularly on the middle school cafeteria menu. So we're going to cut the bag open, and then we're going to fill the bag with our ingredients. We have ground turkey and red beans. We have corn. We have lettuce, cheese. This is a combination of cheddar and Monterey Jack, and then we have tomato salsa. So it's meant to be, carried. So this is basically the container. So we're going to cut into the bag and fill it that way. And you can add other ingredients. You can add, guac or avocados or fresh tomatoes, anything that you like on your taco. So we're gonna go in, you can add queso or tomatillo salsa. Like I said, you can add any, you don't have to use nacho cheese Doritos. You can use any corn tortilla, crispy. So I'm going in and I'm actually building a taco. So we're gonna add our meat. And the meat and the corn have been heated. And just added some taco seasoning. You use black beans. You want to do vegan, you could do mushrooms, onions. I probably should green onions. You could add some sour cream in here if you like. What else we got? Lettuce and cheese and salsa. So take our lettuce. This is a romaine blend of lettuce. I just cut up in there. Oops. Now we'll add some cheese, and then we'll finish with salsa. You can do a miniature version. This is a larger bag, so you can do small ones, but this is a larger bag. I wouldn't. There's this restaurant that you can take your chips to, and they put whatever fillings, like chicken. You can take a bag of Doritos or Cheetos or potato chips, and then they put all these fillings in the bag. That's the adult version. So here you go. That's your walking taco. Renewal is about trying again, learning together, and letting food be joyful. Until next time.